Hello. Today you're looking at my 1970 Honda CT70 3-speed. This bike has been completely restored, stem to stern, with everything new from CHP, including the hardware. Bridgestone trail wing tires on fresh rims, OEM NOS Honda fenders, Honda Kurzman exhaust, NOS stickers on the automotive 3-stage paint, new brakes, new chain, engine's been gone through, new airbox, new carburetor, new wiring harness. It's a NOS speedometer with 5 miles on it. Just a great looking bike. All new cables, new CHP seat assembly, new foam, new everything. Has the original toolkit, complete new fuel systems, all been gone through, new battery. I mentioned the new wiring harness, new ignition, new coil, new light bulbs in the indicators. My brother's going to go ahead and fire it up for you, run it up and down the street. You can see what it runs like. As you can see, the bike fires right up. Doesn't blow any smoke. It shifts into all of the gears and has very good performance. Thank you for looking at my 1970 Honda CT70.